Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today we're gonna do a tutorial about Dark Magic, the palette from Morphe X JACLYN Hill. I told you I'm gonna do it makeup for all of the rest of her palette, so 2 more left. And this collection, the Vogue collection, and this is what it looks like. Dark Magic. Is it Dark Magic? Yes. So this one is the palette of Dark Magic. It's like a cut crease, very beautiful. I'm very proud of myself about this one. Yes, baby, because this look is pretty. What do you think about that? Make me pose for you. And you don't know, I dye my hair as well. Do you like this color as well? So different, like, I feel it myself today. Like, what do you think with this cut crease? Why not coconut? So this one is the palette from Morphe X JACLYN Hill. It's online right now. You can order it. It's very pigmented. I really like it. And you know, with Morphe and JACLYN Hill, you don't play with that because the pigment is there and the color is very popping, and I really like it. So if you wanna see the look of this beautiful eyes, keeping watching because the tutorial is gonna be very beautiful and successful. Done. So this is what it looks like, the palette, of course, the palette, and it's come like this. This color is everything. I really like it. The blue one, this one I think is busted and inside job. Totally, they call me, it's like a blue, or yeah, a blue one, and the other one is like green, dark green. I really like this palette. Totally, this is came about my inspiration. I don't know what you think about it. It's like a mask. They're very pretty. I really like it because this is my style. You see, this is my art. This is my masterpiece. If you don't like it, why are you watching this video? Like, it's not make sense. Get over it and get a life as well. If you like it, keep on watching because I love you, all of you. You see, all these hater people make me sick. So go away. Negative vibe, negative energy, we don't need that in this channel. So thank you for everyone who support me as well. I really appreciate it, and I love you so much, all of you, and thank you for watching. And the highlight, oh my god, and this new cut hair is changed me everything. I'm another person with this color of hair. What do you think about that? All that is combined, all that is flawless. So if you want to see the tutorial, keep on watching right now because you better watch this makeup tutorial. So let's go. So guys, so let's do this beautiful tutorial about Dark Magic palette by Morphe X JACLYN Hill part 2, like, you know. So let's create this beautiful, like we can say, smoky blue eyes with a half a cut crease. Come through, girl, come through. If you like it, that we're gonna do it right now because I'm gonna do it the other side. You know what I mean? Ooh, so pretty. I really love it. In this juicy lips. I just put some concealer and the eyebrow is done, the bronzer and everything like that. A little bit of powder for if they have some fallout. They have tiny of fallout, but it's not a matter. So let's start about this. I'm gonna put it this poof. This is the name poof. So I'm gonna apply it all over my eyes. Just tap it, then the pigment is gonna be there. You see, it's so beautiful to set your concealer or whatever you want to do. Because me, I like to do it because the color is gonna be more pop as well. That you can see. You just tap it, and voila, it's done. For the transition shade, I'm gonna use this one is shh. Yeah, this one here is shh. So we're gonna try this one. for the transition shade. So let's do it right here and going inside just like this. Tiny because I don't want so severe. And you can see I put here a tape for have a beautiful shape like this. The tape is gonna help me. Thank you, tape. And you can buy it like cheap tape. It's not supposed to be like Sephora collection tape. But this one can do the great job I want to have. So after that, I'm gonna use it busted. It's blue like this one. Oh my god, this color is everything. So I'm gonna put it in the middle and at the end of the eyes, just like I did here. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna explain you all that because the tutorial is a little bit long, like filming, and then we have to cut it, whatever. So let's do it a little bit here. I just tap it like you see. I started tap it like that and just go a little bit like more. Yeah, like this to have the same shade. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna do it like this, and then with a thin brush like this, you can see you can shape it your eyes. And then I'm gonna put it a little bit up there as well. Always tap it. Now you can see the pigmented is there, girl, is very there. And then you can just do it your shape like this. Yeah, this brush is everything. And this one is the NARS one collaboration with Charlotte Gainsbourg. Yeah, perfect. And then with another brush like this, a thin line, we're gonna use this one right here. This is inside job. So this one right here, inside job, we're gonna do it inside the corner, outside on the corner as well. So let's do it like that. Just do it like here. Yeah, and then you smudge with the blue one. So let's see if it's good. Yeah, let me just do it here. Perfect. And now let's do it. Let's blend a little bit. Just have a beautiful diffuse. Yeah, like this. And then you have to cut the crease. You see, this is what it looks like. You have to cut the crease. Let me see the other one. This one is look more better than this one. Let me fix it. For the cut crease, I'm gonna do it with the Jeffree Star. This one is called Drag Lord. It's a white one with a flat brush like this. That's gonna help you to cut the crease. So let's put it a little bit on your hands and let's cut this crease. Let's cut that crease. That I'm good to cut the crease. Yes, bitch. Yeah, this is cut the crease. Woo, woo. But you have to be delicate as come through, cut crease, come through. Oh, let's get it dry because oh my god. Perfect. And then let's see. With the green one, you're just gonna come to connect, to blend. Let's see, yeah, just connect to have a beautiful blend like I have on the other side. So for the shimmer like this one is power cut. So this is what it looks like. This is power cut. This is, I'm gonna use it a little bit here to give it like very a cut crease, very glitter we can say, because it's very pigmented. I really like it. You see that? So let's do it. The brush is already wet. So let's apply this. Just tap it, tap it, tap it. Like always, like here. And they don't have a lot of fallout. I mean nothing. Come on, come through, come through. This look is everything. What do you think about that, guys? No, I think, oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Of course, they need the eyelashes, and I have to do it the bottom as well, the bottom of the eyes. But this is what it looks like for complete. This makeup is lit. Can I have some applause, s'il vous plaît? Thank you, thank you, thank you. This cut crease is a success. Perfect. I really love it, love it, love it. So let's take it off this like that. Bada bing, boom, bang. Ooh. You see, it's very easy. You just put it a scotch tape and then poof, voila, you have the cut like this. It's totally pretty, 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 pretty. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put it the lashes and I will come back soon, very soon. But totally this cut crease, like, I don't know what I can say about this makeup. It's like glamorous, like, I don't know, seriously. Cut your magic. Oh, this is pretty. Cut your magic tutorial. This is totally beautiful. So I'm gonna put it the lashes. I will come back soon. Okay guys, so you see, with the lashes is everything. I told you, lashes is everything, and this is what it looks like, the final look. Do you like it? Or you don't like it? Whatever, I don't give a F-U-C-K. For me, it's beautiful. For me, it's gorgeous. It's pigmented, and this is how I do my masterpiece. You know what I mean? This is art. This is my art. Everybody don't need to love my art, so that's why I don't care. But this one is beautiful. But if you like it, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and turn on the notification, then you're gonna be the first one and never the last. And keep in mind, we are the star of our life. Bye guys, and see you every Thursday for a new video with another look with Morphe x JACLYN Hill, which is gonna be the next one. What do you think? Bye guys.